Good morning, everyone. Welcome all you to your online science class. Previous some days we have learned so many things about our domestic animals, just and wild animals, domestic animals, farm animal, pet animals. I hope all of you understood all of this and learned all the spellings. Okay. So, before start a lesson, I will show you something. I will tell you at first. Those students who like the milk, kindly raise your hand. Those who like the milk, like to take milk, raise your hand. And like egg. Oh wow, very good, very good. So if you want to be healthy person, you should take eggs and milk, because all these are complete food. Now I will show you something. You write down in your chat box that what is this? I will show you something. What is this? Chat box. What is this? Write down. I know that you know the spelling. Already we have learned many times. What is this? Let it be open. Chat. Yes, it will be open. What is this? It is a glass of, yes, milk. You like it? Yes or no? If you like, then you will give a smile. What is this? It is a full glass of milk. Yes, milk. Wow, everybody are writing milk spellings. Very good. Okay. So, this is the glass of milk, and I will show you one more thing. Can you tell me what is this? Yes. Say at first, then you will write down in chat box. At first you will say, what is this? Yes. All of you are right. This is egg. Those who like it, kindly show me your thumb. Those who like it, show me your thumb. Those who like this egg, those who like, kindly show me your thumb. Are you like it? Yes or no? Oh, very good. Very good, very good. Okay, egg. So, wow, Nivedita, okay, I am just seeing this. Very good. Wow, everybody is showing me. Very good. Now, already I show to you a glass of milk and egg. All these are complete food. All you will take in this situation, or everybody will take egg and milk, because all these are complete food. If you will take all of these type of things, you will be get fit. So, can you tell me, just this is milk, we know that. From where we can get milk? Who gives us milk? Already in oral conversation I told you that one. Now you will tell me just the name, the animal. Which animal give us milk? You can say one animal's name, I know that. From where we can get milk? Yes, thank you. From cow. Very good. And from where we can get egg? This one you can also tell me. Okay, cow, it is milk. And Which animal, from where we can get that egg? Egg. Now this is the part of egg. Now, which animal, from where we can get the egg? Yes, hen. Very good. Now we come to the point. This is milk. We know that. Now we write down the spellings. Okay. At first you will also learn milk. So, milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Very good. Now we get milk from cow. Very good answer. So you can understood that we get milk from cow and eggs from hen. That means cow and hen all are useful. We can get some benefit from it. They help us. They help, that cow and the hen all are help us to get all these type of food. So today our lesson will be useful animals. Useful. We get something. We use this animal for our food purpose. So all these are useful animals. Okay. So all these are useful animals. So at first I'll show you that milk, a glass of milk. So it is milk. Very good. M-I-L-K, milk. M-I-L-K, milk. Now the one name already you have told me that we get milk from cow. Very good. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. Already you told me this one. Now we get milk. Already somebody have written. Very good. And somebody have written another cow. Here we have the picture book, or this is our science book. It is already written name, two names, another name here. One is goat, another is buffalo. Goat spelling you will write down at first, thereafter I will write down, because already in animals lesson, farm animals lesson, we learned these names. So goat, you will write down the spelling at first, thereafter I will write down. Everybody will write down in chat box. Goat spelling. Goat spelling you will write down. Okay, very good. So now I can write down here goat. G-O-A-T. So we get milk from cow and goat. Another name is there. What is the name of this animal? This is buffalo. This is buffalo. Okay? This is buffalo. So you will also write down buffalo spelling also, you know that. Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo. So spelling will be B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Okay, buffalo, goat and cow. These three animals give us milk. These three animals give us milk. So we get milk from cow, goat and buffalo. Cow, goat and buffalo. All you learn these three spellings, because after learning this spelling, we will do many activities with this. Okay. So this was our milk part. So we get milk from buffalo, goat and cow. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Thereafter cow, C-O-W, cow, and G-O-A-T, goat. Now we get this. Now I rub this board. Next part. This is the time for This is the time for egg. So now I'll write down the egg spelling. Already you have written here E-double-G, egg. So we get egg from, already you told me about hen. H-E-N, hen. Very good. And now another. Okay. Yes, another is duck. Duck spelling duck. D-U-C-K, duck. You learn these spellings, okay? D-U-C-K, duck. H-E-N, hen. We learned only we get milk and egg. We learned this lesson. You will write down classwork date left side of your book. Left side of your book you just write down classwork and date, okay? Today's date is 7-10-20. 7-10-20 and CW. Okay? In your book you should just put classwork date for this page, and we learn verbally this one at first. So, some animals are very useful to us. Already we know that some animals are very useful because we get some benefit from them. We get many help from them. Okay? We use all these animals things for our purpose. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. Cows, buffaloes and goats. Yes. They can write down in school copy. Very good. If they want, they can write down in school copy because this is already mentioned in the book. So that's why I tell them to learn all the spellings at first. Everybody, each and everybody should learn all these spellings. And cow, buffalo and goat give us milk, and hen and duck give us eggs. Hen and duck give us eggs. So now we learn that those animals who give us milk and those animals who gave us egg. So this lesson for today, it is over. Next day again we learn some activities and some more thing with this. You just write down all these names in your science copy, classwork date put and write down this one. Useful animals, put the heading and draw this chart. And nothing. We will do this one today. Okay? Next day again when we will meet, we will do more activities. Now just for you, you can do one thing, draw over and draw here. Now this portion will be white and this one will be yellow. Then write down the egg spelling colored. Egg spelling write down and color this one. For up to this much today. Next day again we will meet with new more things. Okay. So for today, tata. Enjoy.